Welcome to Clever Mum. Welcome to Top 5 Kitchen Gadgets Every Family Needs. A comprehensive guide to tools that can enhance your cooking, save time, and encourage healthier habits in your household. Whether you're a busy parent juggling endless tasks or someone looking to streamline your time in the kitchen, these gadgets are not just trendy purchases, they're lifesavers. Why does this topic matter? In today's fast-paced world, time and simplicity are invaluable. People want nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen, and the right tools can help bridge the gap between convenience and healthy living. This video will cover these amazing gadgets, explain how they work, and offer tips on selecting the right options for your home. To kick things off, think about this. What's one kitchen task you'd love to make quicker or easier? Maybe you dread cleanup, hate measuring ingredients exactly, or feel overwhelmed trying to cook for picky eaters. By the end of this video, you'll have tools to tackle those very problems. Let's jump right in. Our journey begins with perhaps the most talked about gadget of recent years, the air fryer, the health-conscious time saver. The air fryer has gained immense popularity, and for good reason. It uses hot air circulation to cook foods, offering a crispy texture similar to deep frying, minus all the excess oil. Imagine enjoying golden brown fries, crunchy chicken tenders, or perfectly roasted veggies guilt-free. Why is it a must-have? Conventional frying involves a lot of oil, leading to higher calorie intake and unnecessary mess. With an air fryer, recipes require up to 75% less oil, making it an excellent option for families trying to cut back on unhealthy fats. Imagine swapping heavy, greasy meals for light yet flavorful dishes that everyone will love. If you're considering getting one, here's what you should look for. Opt for a model with a larger basket if you're cooking for multiple people, or consider one with preset cooking modes to simplify the process for beginners. And a pro tip for you, don't limit it to fried recipes. Use your air fryer for reheating leftovers like fries or pizza crusts. It's guaranteed to bring stale textures back to life far better than any microwave can. By now, you can probably see how the right tool can make your kitchen time more enjoyable and efficient. But wait, there's more to come. We're going to cover other exceptional gadgets next, all designed to simplify your cooking and bring joy to meal prep time for the whole family. Stick around. Eating healthy often boils down to preparation. In less than 60 seconds, you can blend together a nutrient-packed smoothie that even picky kids will enjoy. A powerful blender lets you incorporate fruits and vegetables into meals effortlessly. Here's what to look for. Check the motor power. A motor with 1000 plus watts can handle blending tough ingredients like frozen fruits or nuts. Look for strong stainless steel blades and a tamper for easier blending. Pro tip: make smoothie prep even easier by pre-portioning ingredients into freezer bags or containers. When ready, just throw them into the blender with some liquid and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the Spiralizer, a fun and budget-friendly addition for your kitchen. This gadget transforms vegetables into noodles, ribbons, and spirals. If you've got picky eaters in your household, this tool can be a game changer. Why is it a must-have? Turning zucchini into zoodles or sweet potatoes into curly fries can make eating healthy a lot more exciting, while also allowing you to cut carbs in recipes. Plus, a Spiralizer can give a fresh twist to traditional dishes, making them visually appealing and fun. Using it is also a great way to involve kids in meal prep. When kids have a hand in creating spiralized vegetables, like colorful carrot ribbons, they're often more eager to eat them. And here's an extra tip for parents. Pair spiralized veggies with sauces your kids already know and love, so the new texture feels familiar yet exciting. Add this to your kitchen, and you might just find your whole family eating more greens. Next, let's look at precision, a key element in baking and meal prepping, which brings us to the digital food scale. This handy tool ensures accuracy when measuring ingredients, which is especially important for baking, where precise ratios make all the difference. Why is it a must-have? Measuring cups can leave room for error, particularly with fine or small amounts like a teaspoon of spice or powdered ingredients like flour. A digital food scale removes the guesswork and delivers exact measurements every time. It can even help support healthier eating habits by allowing you to portion meals based on dietary requirements. Not only does this help improve the accuracy of recipes, but it's also great for controlling portions, reducing food waste, and ensuring meals are tailored to your family's needs. And for those meal prep enthusiasts, the scale is ideal for pre-weighing ingredients like grains or proteins to build balanced meals in advance. Pro tip: use it for baking bread or cookies, where precise weights of flour and sugar matter the most. Or weigh out espresso powder for that perfect coffee-flavored dessert. Trust me, the little details elevate your baked goods. Finally, let's wrap up this segment with the unsung hero of every kitchen, the silicone baking mat. While it may not have the high-tech appeal of some other gadgets we've covered, its utility is unmatched. These reusable mats are an eco-friendly replacement for parchment paper or aluminum foil and help ensure everything you bake or roast comes out effortlessly. Whether you're baking cookies with the kids or putting together a healthy sheet pan dinner, a silicone mat provides a non-stick surface, making cleanup simply a matter of wiping the mat clean. There's more to it as well. It can double as a surface for rolling dough, kneading bread, or even working with sticky candies or chocolates. So not only are you saving money on disposable papers or sprays, but you're also making your kitchen routines more efficient and mess-free. If you've never tried one of these mats before, it's one of the smallest changes you can make in your kitchen with the biggest impact on convenience and environmental consciousness. Let's quickly recap. Here are the top 5 kitchen gadgets every family needs. 1. The air fryer for healthier, faster cooking. 2. High-speed blender, the versatile kitchen assistant. 3. Spiralizer, the fun, creative way to enjoy vegetables. 4. Digital food scale for increased precision and control in cooking. 5. Silicone baking mat, the cleanup champion and eco-friendly baking partner. Together, these gadgets can save time, reduce stress, and encourage healthier eating habits for your family, while making the kitchen a space for creativity and joy. Now that we've gone through these tools, ask yourself, which of these gadgets can solve the biggest pain point in my kitchen? Leave a comment below to share what you're most excited to try or already love using. Your insights could inspire others in this community of Clever Mum followers. And if you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Clever Mum for even more practical tips, family hacks, and tools to enhance your daily life. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.